Welcome to our next screencast, which will shortly introduce you our next application. When astronomical observations or imaging is done using an equatorial telescope mount, the right ascension axis should be parallel to the rotation axis of the Earth to avoid star trails and errors in guiding. The method is called polar alignment, and it starts with a rough alignment of the right ascension axis. The best aid for this is to use a polar finder scope with a reticle. On the reticle, the polar star, or the octant for the southern hemisphere, is engraved and should be positioned over the real Polaris. Because the coordinates of Polaris is not exactly coincide with the Earth's rotation axis, but rotates around it, one should know the exact hour angle of the Polaris to adjust the finder. This application tracks and draws of the Polaris or octant in real time, displaying its hour angle, local sidereal time, current local time, and the longitude of your observing place. For easier orientation, the directions of Cassiopeia and Ursa Majoris is also shown for the northern hemisphere. In the Preferences menu, you can change the hemisphere, the image orientation, and the source of the longitude. If you select the southern hemisphere, then the stars of octant will be drawn instead of the Polaris. The view on the display can also be mirrored to match the view through the finder scope. The longitude can be entered manually or obtained using the built-in GPS. If the built-in GPS has been selected but not yet enabled, then the application takes you to the setup page where you can turn it on. Until no coordinates are sent by the phone, the not yet available message is displayed in the longitude field. Thank you for your attention. I hope you liked this short presentation.